All right, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. We have our yearly celebration with the Mahardika Lions Club Christmas celebration here in Kiladok, like last year. All right, here we are. Merry Christmas.
That's something else.
And now,
Yeah. And then, for example, if I can connect this one to your TV.
you're on live. Hello. Merry Christmas. Hello. Naka-live kayo. You're live. Live streaming. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na, oh. You're on live. Say hi. Naku, sexy ni ano talaga. Wala akong maano. Laging maganda yung suot eh, oh. Sexy lagi eh. Oh, naku, si Doc, oh.
Sama tayo.
Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang gaganda na. Ready na. Mag-ready na sila, oh. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh, ayan, oh, ito, oh.
Kasama ka.
Naka-live ako eh, naka-live.
Dede, may dala akong ano.
Live, okay.
Isa pa daw, isa pa.
Let me go right now because we're taking pictures.
Kasama ka na. Hindi ako kasama.
Gusto niya.
Hindi ako magkasya.
Kita? Kita?
Here we are, we're on live. Okay, let me just do this. Bye for now.